There is one evil about sugar that you need to be conscious about, and that evil is that sugar destroys and slows down your brain memory. For those of us who are so much addicted to added sugar intake or crave more for added sugar and find it difficult to limit it to natural sugar intake that our brain needs, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch it till the end, okay, to understand what you have been doing to your brain when it comes to sugar. You are welcome to a healthy corner where your health is our priority. Kindly subscribe to join our natural healthy tips journey. Thank you for doing that. Research has found out that added sugar hinders our ability to form new memories, nor to even study and remember what we have studied, that is retentive memory, as well as causing brain fatigue or tiredness. Most of us are seriously damaging ourselves with the consumption of processed foods high in added sugar, and the damage begins with our brains. For chronic added sugar consumption is no less a problem than smoking or alcoholism. At times, some of us do suffer from depression, poor mood, overeating, dementia, lack of concentration, tiredness, and poor memory formation is as a result of those chronic consumption of added sugar, and you are unable to carry out a sugar detox exercise for a period of time to improve your level of smartness. Please limit added sugar consumption and focus on diet low in added sugar for a better brain health, okay? Do your brain some good by sticking to a healthy diet which contains natural sugar like fruits, grains, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds that can help improve your brain power in terms of concentration, understanding, creativity, boost self-mood, decrease the risk of long-term dementia, and increase mental health. So with the improved focus and endurance from your healthy diet, you will be able to function well at work, in school, and social interaction. So avoid consumption of more added sugar in processed food and fructose. Take note here that our brain needs sugar every day to function well. In fact, sugar serves as a fuel to the brain, and this sugar we are talking about is natural sugar and not added sugar. Take note of that, which the brain cells require 2 times the energy needed by all the other cells in the body. Hence, sugar is not the brain's enemy, but added sugar is the number one enemy to the brain. So let's always try to do our sugar detox once in a while to empower our brain to carry out our daily activities and improve on our mental health. Hope you now understand the negative influence sugar got to our brain. Kindly share this video out with your loved ones, for sharing is caring, okay? And also subscribe to join our healthy community. Why not give us a thumbs up as well? Thank you for watching. Sending you out love. Cheers as you check out on our next video.